Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles with NTAR Real Estate and Investment Technologies. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. 5022 Waverider Circle in Huntington Beach for lease. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. This is unique because we don't do very many rentals in Orange County. But this one's special. It's near Bolsa Chica State Beach, Sunset Beach. This is the area near where I spent a great deal of time, as I spent most of my childhood in Orange County. So it's a pleasure to be. This is actually, I believe, my first actual listing in Orange County. I've done so many places for sale and for lease in Los Angeles County, but I've been wanting to do one in Orange County. So to me, this is a special thing to be doing my first listing as a real estate agent. I've been a real estate agent for over 12 years or so, and to do one in Orange County, I go to Orange County all the time. This is a bit far away, but it's something that I'm going to show in person, and I'll use a lockbox as well, but I want to show it in person at least a few times because I want to be there. All right, so it's 5022 Waverider Circle, and this is the best deal in Huntington Beach. It's the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a private patio, and it's got a fireplace. It's got laundry hookups, a covered parking spot, plus one more uncovered car parking space, and it's close. It's pretty much close enough to walk to the beach, kind of a long walk, but a walk to the beach. Short bike ride to the beach, or a very short car drive to the beach. So that's Huntington Beach, and it's walkable to lots of stores, shopping and restaurants in the neighborhood. So it's got a lot going for it. And as I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles with NTAR Real Estate and Investment Technologies. Looking forward to talking to you again real soon. We made a new domain just for Huntington Beach called huntbeach.com. And so it's got this property, and we're going to have a lot more properties for sale and for lease in Huntington Beach at huntbeach.com in the near future. All right, look forward to talking to you about Huntington Beach real estate. Corey Chambers. Have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.